Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll be learning how to change password in Twitter. First of all, open your Twitter application. Now tap on your profile on the top left corner and then scroll below. There you can see settings and support. Tap on it and then it will open a drop down menu. There you can see an option saying settings and privacy. Tap on it. Now you can see your account on the top. Go inside it and then you can see change your password option. Tap on it and then provide your current password and enter the new password you want to keep. And then tap on save. Now you have successfully changed your password. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you and do subscribe for similar content.